Thank you for your interest in the Pragmatic Works Oil and Gas Operations Dashboard. This demonstration provides a glimpse of how Pragmatic Works can help your organization skillfully leverage Power BI to draw out meaningful insights from your organization's large volume of operational data. The first tab of our analysis provides production volume information for 7 major basins in the United States. The top level features 3 key performance indicators. The first indicator shows production volume in barrels of oil equivalent, or BOE, which includes both oil and gas production. The second indicator displays the total well count, and the third displays the BOE per day per well. Next, there are donut charts to show the percent breakdown of oil and gas by basin, and a production volume area chart demonstrating the daily production volume over the last 36 months. Finally, the report features a clustered column chart demonstrating production per well versus a target for the previous 6 months. Each bar represents the volume by basin, and a dashed line represents the target value. By default, the visuals on this page represent all 7 regions. By using the slices on the left, we can narrow down the analysis to specific regions or basins. Additionally, the map provides an interactive tooltip allowing you to view the production volume, well count, and production well for each basin by hovering over it with your mouse. The Budget versus Actual tab provides visualizations for comparing the forecasted production volume versus actual production. The top level again features 3 key performance indicators: forecast versus budget variance for oil and gas combined, oil, and gas. The primary visual is a clustered column chart that shows the budget and actual volumes for the previous 12 months, along with a line indicating the variance between the two. You'll notice this chart uses a distinct y-axis for volume and variance. To the left, we once again feature slicers that let you analyze the data by product type, region, or basin. And finally, the Facility Maintenance tab. While the first 2 tabs of this demonstration have focused primarily on an executive summary type interface, this third tab is intended to demonstrate a more tactical application for facility maintenance. The middle section of this analysis uses the inspection results from your maintenance management system to show component failures by make and manufacturer over time. There are 2 tree maps that efficiently call out failed component types and defects by manufacturer. Since these visuals interact with one another, we can easily identify a manufacturer with a high defect rate and look to see if there is a particular model we should be concerned with. The ribbon chart allows us to quickly identify a trend. Failures for this particular model of component seem to be trending in an upward direction. It might make sense to proactively replace these components with a make model that is more reliable. At the bottom, we have an inspection summary by facility, along with an inspections detail table. We have slicers that allow you to easily filter down to a single well or find those that are overdue for inspections. We've also included a donut to quickly show the breakdown of inspections relying only on audio, visual, and olfactory versus inspections relying on thermal imaging. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration. This is just a sample of the solutions that Pragmatic Works can provide for your organization. If you are interested in learning more, please use the Contact Partner button to reach us directly.